你好，我今天想教你如何写小号码。Hello, my people. Today I want to teach you lesson how to write Chinese number. Like now. So I want to show you something. How you can write Chinese number to English. So I need to translate it to you. Yau ina so in koyar da ku ne a wannan harshe na yaren China kuma yadda za ku yi ku rubuta number da yaren harshen Chinese kuma zuwa yaren Turanci. Listen to me here. You see this? You see this? That is zero. You understand? So, like I said, you want to see zero. So I need to teach you from 0 to 1,000, from 1,000 to 5,000. So everybody, I beg, hear me well. Ina so daga kan zuwa zero in koyar da ku zuwa 1,000, daga 1,000 kuma zuwa 5,000. So duka I will need to translate it to you so that you can learn how to write Chinese language and then how to write Chinese number to translate it to English language. So like now, see this one where this one where I write it for off. That is lane, that is zero. You understand? Lane zero. E, that is one. 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 You understand? So that is two. 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 Sun, three. Three. Si, four. Four. Wu, five. Five. Liu, six. Six. Chi, seven. Seven. Ba, eight. Eight. Ju, nine. Nine. Are you getting me well? She, 10. Ten. She, 11. Eleven. She, 11. She, 12. She, 12. She, 12. She, son, 13. She, son, 13. She, 14. She, 14. She, 15. She, 15. She, 16. She, 16. She, 17. She, 17. She, 18. She, 18. She, 19. She, 19. She, 20. She, 20. She, 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 21. She, she, 22. 22. She, son. She, son, 23. 23. She, she, 24. 24. She, she, 25, 25.二十七，二十六，二十六， 26, 26. 二十七，二十七， 27, 27. 二十八，二十八， 28, 28. 二十九，二十九， 29, 29. 三十，三十. If you want to write 30, if you want to write 30, you see this, and then you go do one, three stick, and then one stick you can do plus. That means I is sanshi, sanshi. So my people, I need to stop from here, so you can hear my lessons to another time. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and then if you want search me, search Nigerian Hausa TV, so you can see me. Mutane na kamar yadda kuka sani, so dan siya a wannan wuri, so duk wanda suna son su kara kallon TV nawa, so click Nigerian Hausa TV, so you can see me. Click Chinese Hausa TV. I'm sorry, Chinese Hausa TV. Then you will see me there. You understand? So subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then sharing to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So before we close, I need to show you something. You see this one? So next time we'll go continue from 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300, 400, and then 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1000. So I'll go carry you go to 1000 by the grace of God, from 1000 to 5000. So anyone want to see my own channel, and then want to see my own teaching, click Chinese Hausa TV, then you will see me there. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Zaijian.